Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I am back with a very nice video. I'm going to show you a bunch of empties. These are products that I've used up this whole year. So here I've got some skincare, hair care, body care, and some makeup. And yeah, I'm going to tell you my full and honest opinion. Some I really loved, some not so much. So instead of sitting here and go through each single product, I decided to show you the products and record my voice. Otherwise, I'm going to be here all day and ramble about each single thing about it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, go on and subscribe and join the family. Okay, so Shea Moisture's Peace Rose Shampoo. It nourishes, silkens the hair, and it is meant for dry and brittle hair. Okay, what I can tell you is that yes, indeed, it is very hydrating, and it always left my hair feeling amazing, really soft. It smells really good. It's also really great because it is free of nasty ingredients. So yeah, I highly recommend it. This one is controversial in this channel, I know guys, but I wanted to try it out because Kerastase launched this clean line, and it is supposed to contain 96% natural ingredients, and yeah, while that is great, Kerastase is not a cruelty-free brand. However, I tried out because in my country it's not very easy to find clean beauty, and well, Kerastase is available in a lot of countries, so yeah, you get my point. Now, what do I think of this line? The shampoo was fine, however, the conditioner is really good. If you watched my long hair care routine, you might recognize this one. This is by Avalon Organics, and I freaking love it. It leaves my hair feeling squeaky clean, but not too much, if you know what I mean. Next, this is a Dry Bars Southern Belle Volume Boosting Shampoo. And yeah, girl, it gives you a lot of volume. It's so good. This is a cruelty-free brand, if you didn't know, and it even has the Leaping Bunny certification. So yeah, however, as much as I love the results that it gives me, I'm not a huge fan of the smell. Last but definitely not least, Living Proof PhD shampoo. This is also cruelty-free, and if you wash your hair every now and then, this is for you, girl, because it has a technology that keeps your hair clean longer. And the smell, guys, the smell is amazing, and yes, it is so worth the money. Now let's move on to skincare, my favorite part of this video. These are the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Wipes, and these are great if you are a gym girl or a sports girl. I started going to the gym this year, guys, and these are amazing for post-workout facial cleansing. They really help prevent any sort of breakouts. They are so good. And the same goes for these ones by Mama Mio. These are the Gorgeous Glow Balancing Facial Wipes. They are really good at keeping at bay those breakouts. However, these are more expensive, so yeah, if you're on a budget, go for the Shea Moisture ones. They are just as good. Now let's talk about cleansers. This one is from Ecobella. It is very gentle and hydrating, really good for combination skin like mine. And yeah, I really enjoyed this one. This one is from the Mexican brand Botanicus. You could probably find it in America, I'm not very sure. Anyway, it's a foaming face wash, and once again, it is gentle but still cleanses your skin like a dream. Now we have the travel size of Crown Alchemist's Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser with Geranium Leaf. I took this one on my summer trip to Europe, guys, and I think this one would be perfect for dry skin types, I think. Because it is very gentle indeed, but it still cleanses the skin pretty good. And this one was a gift from the Mexican beauty store Olivine, so shout out to those girls and their kindness. Thank you so much. This, guys, this is my holy grail cleanser. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins by Just to the People. I bought this on January, and look at this, I haven't finished it yet. You need just one single pump and you are good to go. I especially like to use this at night along with my Foreo Luna after removing all my makeup because it deep cleanses my skin. It's so good. And now I won't even bother talking too much about this product because it is horrible. This is by the brand Piel Bonita. It is a charcoal cleanser. I hated it. It did nothing for my skin. This brand's Rosa Centifolia 3-in-1 cleansing water is one of the best micellar waters I've ever bought, guys. It removes makeup pretty well, even waterproof mascara, I remember that. So yeah, if you are looking for something that's clean and contains natural ingredients, go for this. The Tree Toner by the Mexican brand Samania. It is so good for those of you who have acne-prone skin or blemishes. It controls breakouts without stripping the skin. It is vegan, cruelty-free, so good. And this is another great toner for oily and acne-prone skin. This is a frankincense toner by the brand Neil's Yard Remedies, and this is a great brand to check out if you are into green beauty and you are a purist. You will love this. Now, I received this Sunday Riley on a skincare mini set, and I found out why basically everyone raves about it. I used it for a month and I could see my dark spots fading and a lot of shine control. If you watched my skincare routine video, you already know how much I adore this Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer. It's very lightweight and very travel friendly, guys. I absolutely love this brand. I think it's very suitable for people with sensitive skin. This is another moisturizer that I got on that mini skincare set that I was telling you about. This is the Dr. Roebuck's No Worries Moisturizer, and it worked pretty well on my combo skin. However, I cannot seem to find this brand in Mexico. Guys, this Spy Skincare Copaiba mask is one of the best ones out there for blemishes. It works very well without being harsh on the skin, and I think, like Grown Alchemist, this brand is targeted for people with sensitive skin, so it's pretty much perfect for everyone. It's lovely. This Well People's Bio Extreme Mascara is one of the best green beauty mascaras out there. You can check out my best natural mascaras video and watch it perform on my eyelashes, and you will see why I love it so much, guys. It's all about the wand and the formula. Both are amazing. By the way, I'm really sorry about this creepy zooming, but look at my eyelashes. You guys keep asking me questions on Instagram on what I did to make them grow. I always tell them about this serum. This is by the brand Plume Science. It is very effective, however, it doesn't thicken them. So yeah, this is just a random message to all of you. This is the perfect nude lipstick by the brand Ere Perez in the shade Me. It's very hydrating and I think it goes pretty well with my olive skin tone. And finally, we have the Boy Brow by Glossier. I know this is not green beauty, but it's cruelty-free and it's very good for those feathery brows on Instagram that we all see. This one is one of the best clean beauty brands that you can find at the drugstore, in my opinion. This is a body wash by Ludwig and Wittgenstein, I hope I'm pronouncing that well, with almond oil and shea butter, and it nourishes the skin and smells so good. This one though, this one is amazing. This is by Shea Moisture. It's their coconut and hibiscus illuminating body wash. It didn't really illuminate my body, if I must say the truth, but it's really good. It smells amazing and it's very hydrating. And this scrub by Human & Kind is amazing. It's really good if you have sensitive skin. It's very gentle, and for that I really loved it, guys. Yeah, it's totally worth the money. Another Human & Kind product that is so beautiful. This is a body oil. It is like a dry oil, so it doesn't leave you that sticky feeling that most oils give you, if you know what I mean. It smells really good. It contains a lot of natural and organic ingredients, so good. And once again, another Grown Alchemist product, because I'm a fan, guys. I have to say that it is definitely one of my favorite clean beauty brands because it is so gentle. It is really natural and organic. I just love it. This is an intensive body cream. My only complaint is that, in my opinion, it's too small. I want a huge bottle of it, but it's so good. I promise to you all that I'm going to make a video of best products of 2018, and this product is going to be the number one. This is a deodorant by Nils Yard Remedies. It's their Rose and Geranium deodorant. It has no aluminum, it has a lot of organic ingredients, and it finally keeps the smell away from your body. It's definitely the best deodorant that I've ever tried in my life. This is kind of no surprise to me because I've never been disappointed by any of Nils Yard Remedies products. They are just so good and so worth the money. This one, however, I disliked it so much, as I've never disliked any natural deodorant before. I really tried to like it, guys, because all of my green beauty guru friends love it, and I just don't. It's just so, I don't know, guys, the consistency, it never melts into my skin. It doesn't really get rid of the smell. I do not like it. I'm sorry. Toothpaste. It's important to keep your teeth clean and nice and healthy. So yeah, this one by Dr. Bronner's, it's pretty good. It has that typical minty scent to it. It has a very low foaming, so you might feel like your teeth are not getting cleaned, but they are, and yeah, I liked it. When I was in Italy, I got really curious to get this toothpaste because I had seen it for ages on Pinterest, Instagram posts. So yeah, I just wanted to know what all the fuss was about. And it's okay, it has a lavender scent. However, this toothpaste contains fluoride, so if you're not okay with that, just skip it. And by the way, this is an Italian-based brand and it is cruelty-free. Finally, we have a cruelty-free travel-sized fragrance. This is by the brand Nest. I really loved it because it is very woody but still floral and fresh. And I don't know, guys, I used it mostly for the gym as like my gym scent. So that's it for this video, guys. I am sorry for the length. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it, that you find it helpful. So anyway, yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!